Okay guys, quick review. Poco X6 Pro 5G. Alright, 5G. Right, here we go. Inside, there's a note. Safety information, blah blah blah. And box. Wait, box. There's a okay pin and a case. Okay, good. And and there they are. Poco X6 Pro 5G. Flagship MediaTek Dimensity 8330 Ultra. Crystal Res 120 Hz. Blue, blah 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 blah. Yun. Okay. Oh, there we go, Mamma Mia. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, there they are. Poco Loco. Okay. Poco X6 Pro. Okay. What's more inside? More notes. And the charger. Look at that. It's original. Oh, wait. Blur, blur. Okay. 67 watts. And log. Blur. Yep. 67 watts. Designed by Xiaomi. Okay, Xiaomi data cable. Blah. That's all. Look at that. Xiaomi Hyper OS. And there they are, guys. It's already open. Oh, password. Oh, here we go. Settings. About phone. Look at that. Xiaomi Hyper OS. Storage. Oh, it's a by 12 gig occupied. Then detail. There they are. Look, it's a 12.0 plus 60 gig. Dimensity 8330 Ultra Octa-core Max 3.35 GHz. Look, that was nice, right? That was nice. There they are. Yes, hold. Then there they are, the landing. Look at that. It's a legit Android 14. Good, right? Good. Okay. Okay. Go back to the game. It's why don't we wait? We need to wait. There we go. Ooh, look at that smooth. So smooth. Smooth. Still good at high resolution. But they say overload. Change. Good.